Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use new Instagram map feature. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application, and this is new feature on Instagram. So if you can't see this feature, you can try to update your Instagram application. You can go to your Instagram direct messages, and then here you will see map, and you just need to tap on that to see your Instagram map. I'm going to click on next. Okay, and the story, which has location tag, will appear right here. Okay, and these are the stories using location tag. And if you want to share your location, you can go back, and then you can share your location on your note. I'm going to tap on my note, and here on your note you will be able to add your location. You can also share your location on your Instagram story, and then the story will appear on the Instagram map. Okay, and it will appear right here guys. And now I'm turning on now I'm turning off my map. Okay, I'm just going to click on the location, and then we can click on share right here, and then you can customize your audience or the map visibility. I'm going to go back to the map, and here you can go to the setting, and then you can customize who can see your location, either your friends, close friends, only some friends, or no one. If you want to turn it up, just click on no one, just like no one, so your location will be turned off. Okay, so guys, this Instagram map feature will let us to share our location on the Instagram note or on the story. And then to see the compilation, we can use this map, and you can also search your friends right here and invite your friends. Okay, if you cannot see this feature, you can update your Instagram on Play Store or Apple Store. Okay, and then I'm just going to go back. And yeah, this is a cool feature, but it's a little bit dangerous, I guess, because your friends will see your location. So I recommend you to turn it off if you do not need this location. And okay guys, that's all the way to use new Instagram map feature. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.